Hey everybody!
I'm in the middle of hell right now.
In other words, this is what I ate today, vegan version.
Okay, but I have been doing the Blogilates 30-day squat challenge, 100 squats every day. And today is by far the most difficult squats that we've done so far.
Yes. Not that that has anything to do with what you ate. But
no, but I'm just saying, that's why I'm like... But anyway, I want to be honest. This morning when I woke up, I had a nut butter filled Cliff Bar.
We didn't know we were going to film this until before. Otherwise,
but that's
we
all I've had so far.
Okay, I've had 2 cups of coffee with some almond milk creamer, as I usually do every morning. I like at least 2 cups. I do intermittent fasting, so I don't start eating till 12. It is 11:08 right now. I'm not going to eat for a while. They're going to go out for a bike ride. I'm going to get some work done around the house if I don't have to babysit Flash. Flash in his old age has become very needy. And he always checks to see if I'm in eyesight. If not, he's got to go investigate. And he can't jump back up on the sofa, which is kind of a bummer because that's where he wants to be. So, like, right now he's... Oh, there's Squat Queen. He's waiting to be lifted up onto the sofa so that he could sit on his throne with Lucy, his queen. So, yeah, I'm going to check back when I eat later, because I'll just go talking forever otherwise. Alright, back fresh from the old bike ride.
Yeah.
And it's time to eat.
I'm hungry.
You're having a bagel with hummy?
Yeah, this is,
Organic.
classic.
Organic classic hummus.
I'm having a poppy seed bagel.
A poppy seed bagel. I'm having some leftover bulgogi from the other night, so that's basmati rice, and 2 different types of mushrooms with some beautiful crispy tofu. Thank you. Some onion and garlic, and the recipe's on the Veganasfork channel. If I remember, I'll leave it linked in the bottom bar in the info box. And I'm really loving this chili garlic sauce that I just got at the store last night. I had it in the cold sesame noodle dish that we had for dinner last night. I'm going to put a little bit of that on top of my bulgogi. We're having a lot of cool foods today, I have to say. Later on, we're having the chocolate cake made with the sweet potato. And we're also having... Oh God, there's like 5 or 6 different ways to say this. Kitchery, kitchdi, kitchri, kitchari, kitchuri. There's like a million different names for it, probably because there's about a million different variations of it. So I'm going to be doing my variation of that, and I hope it's a good one, because that's going to be the recipe after this one. So if you're interested in making what we're having for dinner tonight, it's going to be in the next video, probably Wednesday on this channel. Just checking in, it's snack time. Yes, I was just licking the yogurt container. I cut up 3 of these beautifully, perfectly ripe apricots. Or is it apricots? I never know. And I'm going to just add a little bit of vanilla almond yogurt to this. Just got this yesterday. This is the first time I'm buying the non-dairy yogurt in the big size. They don't have it at my ShopRite, but we went to a different one, which was nice. So, vanilla flavored. It's got a little bit more sugar than I would like, but it's the only one in the village. It's the only one they had. So that is my snack. Some fruit and almond yogurt.
It's time for me to have a little snack. So yesterday I went to Boston with my friends and I stopped by Chloe, which was really exciting because I've always wanted to go there in New York, but I haven't had the chance yet, so it just worked out. And I had got a small mac and cheese, and I have just been freaking milking this. I wasn't like super hungry when I got it yesterday, and I wanted Mom to taste it, so I brought like most of it home. And she had a little bit last night, but now I'm gonna finish it. It's just so creamy and delicious. It's like a sweet potato cheese. And it has shiitake bacon, which is very tasty. And I think there's also some almond parmesan sort of thing going on there. So if you guys are around by Chloe, definitely check it out. It's so cute. The food is so good. And the people that work there are super nice too. So, love you.
All right, we're at dinner and we started off with a little bit of salad with some balsamic dressing. Here's the khichdi. It was really good. It wasn't too soupy, which I like. I don't like when it's got too much sauce. It was very comforting. It was well cooked. Everything was very tender. It was really nice. And now it's dessert. Had another cup of coffee. And Mark does such a good job serving this cake, but it takes him a little bit of time to get this piece out. But it was really moist. This is the first time we've done the peanut butter frosting with the sweet potato. We used the purple Okinawan yams. It was a really nice frosting. You'd never know that there was a potato in there. The cake was nice and it held together really nicely. Very chocolatey. All right.
Hello.
So I'm packing up dinner. It was delicious. We have the khichdi.
Khichdi?
Khichdi.
Okay, I hope we didn't just offend everyone. But you know.
I've seen so many different spellings for it. I mean, I don't mean
it's
to offend
delicious.
anyone.
We loved
really
it.
Delicious.
We loved it.
It was very filling. Sean's got some for lunch tomorrow. Right
Oh, that's
here.
quite a trough.
You know what? He likes his lunch.
Sean, you like lunch? You like lunch? He said yes.
Alright, so we're packing this up. It's snack time. We didn't eat that much today. It was hot. It was very heavy out.
I wasn't that hungry.
I'm just going to have some of these mixed nuts.
Nice. I'm going to have some apricots.
I had some before. They were delicious. You should have them with the almond yogurt. It was really good. Maybe sprinkle a little peanuts.
I'm not a huge yogurt person.
This was like nice.
Yeah, but I'm just not a huge yogurt person.
Well, in any case, that's what we may or may not have eaten today. So I don't know if she's going to have the yogurt or not, but you should have at least 2 apricots.
Yeah, because they're tinies.
They are tinies, and they were really tasty. Tiny's tastier. So that is what we ate today. Was it exciting? Sometimes. I really like that almond yogurt. But, oh, puppy just shook it off. He's a real Taylor Swift in there.
Alright.
So thanks for watching, everybody. We really appreciate it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and all that blah, blah, blah. Subscribe. And until next time, much love.